Have you ever wondered if the stars could predict the downfall of an empire? In the year 1524, Europe was gripped by astronomical anxiety as astrologers across the continent predicted a cataclysmic flood. The alignment of multiple planets in the watery sign of Pisces convinced even the most skeptical minds that disaster was imminent. People from all walks of life fled their homes, seeking higher ground and constructing makeshift arks. The fear reached such heights that the streets of London were eerily deserted, and booksellers couldn't keep up with the demand for astrological almanacs. Yet, as the fateful day passed, not a single drop of extraordinary rain fell. The event, now largely forgotten, serves as an intriguing testament to the profound influence astrology once held over the collective psyche, shaping actions and altering the course of history based on celestial predictions.